Hello, my name is Rafael de Lima. I am a composer and arranger. I'm doing my doctoral in jazz composition and studio writing at the University of Miami. And I'm the graduate assistant for the Fairchild Challenge. The Fairchild Challenge number 3, Sounds of Nature, Composition and Performance, is designed for middle and high school students. And each one has its specific challenge with its specific characteristics. The middle school students have to choose one environment and to create a backstory based on this ecosystem. From that story, they should write the music for. For the high school students, the challenge is a little bit different. It's also based on South Florida environments and ecosystems, but it's a video. So they have to choose or do or create a time-lapse video and then write and perform music to this video. So you should also check out the second video of this series. We'll be talking about scoring music for image, music for film. The students have to use acoustic instruments, either traditional instruments such as a violin, a cello, a flute, drums, acoustic guitar, or alternative instruments. Things that usually are not seen essentially as an instrument, but then can produce sound and can be used to do music, such as body percussion, such as water, sand, or whatever other thing the students may want to use as part of their performance. But what is not allowed in this competition is to use electronic instruments of any sort or recordings. So no keyboards, no samples, no electric guitars, no electric basses, no synthesizers, nothing electronic. The entries for this challenge are November 6th, and the performance will be on the 20 and 21. If you are interested in entering the competition and you want more information about writing music for film, what kind of notation you want to use, you should check the second part of this video that will be available next week. Thank you for watching.